If you've been on the fence about joining Kajabi over the past few years because of the price point, well then today's your lucky day because they have launched their lowest price point ever. The Kickstarter plan is now live. You can get started using Kajabi for $69 a month. Now this is the actual plan that I started using a few years ago. Kajabi did a trial for all UK, Australia and New Zealand with this lower Kickstarter plan at $69 a month. This is the one I got in at, and this is the one that I would recommend for you to start. And in this video, I'm going to unpack the reasons why. So today, if you were just to navigate to Kajabi pricing, you can see all the pricing packages available to you. There's a little toggle on here, annual, you save 20%. But if you're not comfortable starting out annually, you can click on the monthly and then compare all of the monthly plans. So this is the growth plan, which is the most popular. And this is the one I am on now. But I actually did start on the Kickstarter when they were using this as a test and they were promoting it a good few years back. But now I am happy to say that this is live. You can go and join Kajabi for as little as $69 a month if pricing was your biggest hurdle. But let's just break down exactly what is involved with the Kickstarter $69 a month. So everything about Kajabi is what I love is 0% transaction fee. So no matter what size your business, the Kajabi won't take a percentage of that transaction. And this is especially important right at the very start. Let's face it, the hardest time in any online business is the very start. So I'm really excited to see that Kajabi have put this optional Kickstarter plan together. Now, 50 landing pages. I've been running this business for a number of years. I don't think I have 50 landing pages. So this is actually a no-brainer for me. That's totally fine. Marketing emails. If you were to accrue quite a number of contacts within your Kajabi account, I'm just going to show you inside mine at the moment. 1,250 marketing emails, you may go above this. One product, now this is the clincher. This is where it hamstrings you, but actually when you start an online business, you start with one product. And I had one product for the longest time before I actually then moved and upgraded to the basic. So one product is just fine. Just make sure, I'm going to show you some tips to actually focus in on which products to have. One funnel. A funnel is just a way of piecing landing pages together. So don't worry about that. You can actually piece together some landing pages if you follow what I teach without using a funnel. So again, 250 contacts. Now this is another clincher here. If you have more than 250 contacts already, then the Kickstarter plan is probably not the best suited for you. But if you're just starting out in online business, like anyone, you start with 0 contacts or you start with a handful from social, you can upload those straight into Kajabi. 50 active customers. So if you had more and more people paying you than 50, then you would have to upgrade. But when you start in online business, I recommend you just start with one customer and get them results. One website, this is totally fine. On the I'm on the growth right now and I still just use the one website. I like to keep things super simple. And then the Kajabi AI features and the Creator Studio, that's across every account you have. They're great add-ons. So what I'm going to do now is we'll have a think about if you can actually pay annually. You will get it cheaper. You'll save 20%. But just to get started, you can start at $69 today and then grow from there. And this is exactly what I did in this online business that I'm running now. So if you go to timpeakman.com/Kajabi, I can share with you some awesome bonuses. So if you do sign up using my link, yes, this is an affiliate link. All that means is part of your payment will come back to me in support of this channel if you surpass your free trial. So if you go to timpeakman.com/Kajabi, I explain exactly what it is and how I use this online business. I use this tool to run everything in my online business. But what I also offer is I offer Kajabi Unboxed, which is a course that I wish I knew when I first started using Kajabi, what to do first, second, third, fourth, and fifth when you're unboxing your Kajabi account. If you complete that Kajabi Unboxed, I then do offer you a free coaching call just to help you accelerate your learning a little bit more. And then if you continue to be a paying member of Kajabi, reach out to me, tim@timpeakman.com, and I will give you some templates. So all you need to do is download these templates and then upload them into your Kajabi, and they're sales page templates. So this was all around the 30-day free trial. Now, if you just wanted to get started at $69 a month, this is on a 14-day free trial, but all you need to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on that 14-day free trial. And so this is everything that's included in the previous screen that I said for $69 a month. And then you can just get started from this page. And then you'll be cookie to me, and then you'll be delivered those automated courses initially. And then for the coaching and the additional templates, just reach out to me, tim@timpeakman.com. So this is exactly what I did when I started my very first Kajabi account for this personal brand. So I knew I only had one product. I actually created a mini course for that product. But in addition to that, I actually sold my services, either coaching or implementation services. And all I did there was created a product. So you can just create product, get started. You can create your course and go through and build this out, and you can build out that course over time. But then what I did is I created an offer. And then when you create your first offer, you don't have to actually link this offer to a product. So you could put out a coaching page or a coaching checkout. So having a call with someone, having that one-to-one call, seeing if they're the right fit for you, seeing if you're the right fit for them, and then offer them your coaching services. So you could put out a few $1,000s or a few £1,000 for a coaching package that you've pre-agreed. And as soon as you've put out this offer to them, they can pay through Kajabi, and you're going to be getting money like very quickly through Kajabi. So there's some options there. You don't really have to build out so many products right off the bat. You can offer your implementation services or coaching services before you then try and scale through online courses. And in addition, I've done a bunch of free training on this YouTube channel. All you need to do is have a look at Zero to Kajabi Hero. It's a free 30-day program. This is all of the main functions with the Kajabi platform. You can go through and watch all these and get ahead in this game of building your online business. So hopefully that makes sense. This is a 14-day, $69 Kickstarter plan that is now live and available. It's exactly where I started. So I feel compelled to promote this and give you the advice of just get started at the lowest possible price and then grow your business from there. And then you can upgrade across the plans as your business grows and as your income grows. So that link once more, timpeakman.com/Kajabi, getting all your information about these plans, and especially if you wanted to get started on that Kickstarter plan. I'm excited for you to start your Kajabi journey. If you have started using this Kickstarter plan, leave a comment below under this video. I'd love to know how you're getting on. And I look forward to seeing you again on another video soon.